Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So, pretty much this is it. Not the probably the most productive school year we've ever had, but hey, I'll take it. So, the only thing I want to really say is I'm sorry that we didn't get more time to spend together. We are having a pretty good time and we were learning a lot, but we finished up pretty strong. For those of you who were able to, effectively finish all the assignments and get everything done, I know that's not easy, having to manage your time and not having the structure of an everyday school day happening. So I just want to say I'm real proud of you. That's an excellent thing. And to be truthful, that's the direction you're going anyway. I mean, as you go to 10th grade and 11th grade and your senior year, you're going to have to take on more responsibility. And then what do you think college is like? If you're going to go to college, it's all about you on your own, managing your time. You're going to have class like twice a week, maybe three times a week. The rest of it's up to you. When you're going to do your assignments, how you're going to, prepare for your lessons. So I'm just very proud of you. And those of you who didn't get everything done, listen, this is an extraordinarily weird time, and I understand. I think everyone pretty much did pretty well by the end of the day. I don't think anybody had a real problem finishing up. So thanks, everybody. Had a great time. Um, that's about it. All right. Romeo and Juliet, not the feel good hit of 2020, but hopefully you finished it up and you learned not to rush in and make decisions that could be bad for you, for lack of a better way of putting it. All right, people. So I'll miss you and have a great summer. That little sunset is my goodbye. And I'll see you next year. All right. Peace.